Hello everyone, it's me Sanjay here. Warmly welcome you all for this 30 days full stack web development masterclass day 1. I hope you guys are super excited for this series. If you are really excited about this 30 days masterclass series, all the people who are present here simply post are super excited Sanjay in your live chat. So I'm warmly welcome you all guys. Thank you so much. I would like to welcome some of the people out there. So here we have Anuj Singh, hi, and Riliwan, hi, and Bhavanita, hi, and Manish Bharadwaj, hi, and Almi, hi. Litin, hi, and Jaglal, hi, and Raghavendra, hi, Happiness, hi, Abubakar, hi, Hamsadwani, hi, good to meet you again. Michael, hi, Mona, hi, Abhishek, hi, Aman Nase, hi, and Ibrahim, hi, Sudarshan, hi, Kishore, hi, and Collins, hi, Abhay Kumar, hi, Siddharth, hi, Anuja, hi, and Sabrit, hi, and Mulya Reddy, and Rahul Reddy, and Sumit, and Rupesh, and Kunal. So guys, I felt really happy about it. Just look out how many people who are all present in this live. So it is around 1,600 plus people. Thank you so much for all the people who are all coming into this live. And I hope you guys are excited. So yes, this full stack, so as a normal person, you might have a lot of thoughts running in your mind, right? So what does it really mean by the statement called full stack? Some people are talking or some people are asking that as like, calling that full stack web development. So a lot of confusion is really running in a lot of people's mind. So if you are also facing these type of problem, you just post yes Sanjay in your live chat because once you have crossed just 1 hour today, all those doubts is going to be cleared out. Okay, and hereafter, whenever any person is talking about any full stack or something, you are going to be part of the journey because that kind of clarity which I'm going to be giving you. So that's what the thing. Okay, I hope you all really excited. Yes. A lot of people are posting confused. Yes. No worries, guys. Every doubt which is going to be cleared. Even if you are going and check out your, any course providers like full stack, like Coursera or anything, you can able to see there are a lot of different name titles like JavaScript developer, backend developer, and IBM full stack developer, and web development with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and .NET full stack developer. So likewise, there are a lot of variations which is out there, which is really leading to the confusion. So that is the confusion which I am going to be clearing out just within a 1 hour. And I hope you're all ready. And very important thing, which I really want to start the session with a code called knowing and not doing is equal to not knowing. So guys, this 30 days is a full stack free masterclass series. But even though it is a normal webinar, but you are going to do a task. Okay, I'm really planned very well. So on each and every day, I'm going to give you some task. You are going to do the task and you are going to post it. So we are going to make the session to be worthy. Okay, and the people who really wanted to make money from this website designing skill or getting a job, okay, both the things is going to be really possible in the series. Stay till the end so that you will be knowing about how I can start earning money. Because whenever people are attending this type of series, the one and only mindset is, okay, anyhow, it will take 3 to 4 months or 5 months. I need to study a lot. And after 1 year only, I'll be getting a job. So I'm not confident enough that. So guys, this is not that kind of usual course or usual webinar. This is going to be completely different where I'm going to give you the skill. I'm going to teach you how to use that skill to start a freelancing because, start earning money, after only getting the job is all old trend. But nowadays, school students are started earning. So that's why it is going to navigate you to a certain journey to, acquire the skill and you're going to put it in the freelancing platform and you're going to get some orders. And that project, which you have did it in the freelancing platform, you're going to put it in your resume to get the job. That's what our journey is. Is it amazing? If it is really amazing, if you also wanted to learn, to start making money, you just post, I wanted Sanjay in your live chat. And today's session is it is going to be duration of 2 hours, guys. Yes. Because, in the first day where we are going to interact a lot of things. So only day 1 session's duration is going to be 2 hours. And rest of the 29 days is going to be precise 1 hour session. And very important thing, whenever you are having a questions, please note down each and every questions because look out there are 2,663 people out there in the live. So I can't able to clear all the people's doubts when we are taking, classes. So whenever you are having a questions, please have your notebook with you and please note it down. At the end of the session, there is a Q&A which is going to be conducted. You can ask your questions there. So how many of people are really with notebook? If you are with notebook, you just post with notebook. And if you are without notebook, please go and take your notebook. Okay, so you can ask your questions at the last few minutes. And whenever people are attending this type of live series, there is going to be some thoughts which is going to be running in their mind. Sanjay, I'm totally beginner, Sanjay. I don't know anything about web development. I don't know anything about this full stack or anything. I don't know about anything about coding even. I'm totally from the scratch. I don't know anything. Can I attend the session or not? How many of you people are really having these questions running in your mind? If you are, you just post yes in your live chat. So guys, let me tell you a happy news. Even though you are a beginner, even though you don't know anything about this, no worry. Because I am going to teach it from the scratch, even though you are a beginner, even though you are from different departments. Guys, you just remember, first of all, always company expects the skill. That's for that skill, definitely company might see your department, which department are you from. But freelancing platform is not going to see your department. So even though you are a mechanical or civil, or if the person who have a year gap, you can acquire the skill and you can do a freelancing, you can make a money, and that skill you can post, you can showcase in your portfolio to get the job. Is this idea is amazing? If it is amazing, you just post yes, Sanjay, in your live chat. So no prior knowledge required. Even though you are a beginner, I'm going to teach it from the scratch. Even you are in a zero programming experience, I'm going to teach programming in a little different way. Definitely you will like it. And the people who are having a laptop, that's well and good. You can practice it with me. The people who don't have a laptop, no worries. Please take the notes. And very important disclaimer, since this 30 days free series is a free masterclass series. Yes, this 30 days full stack web development is a free masterclass series. So you should have minimum 25 days of attendance to get the free participation certificate on full stack. Again, I'm repeating you, the people who really want to get that certificates. So you should have minimum 25 days, because sometimes people will be attending just 3 days and they are asking for the certificate. So that's why to make that to be, consistent learning. So minimum 25 days of attendance is required to get the free participation certificate on full stack web development. And who is this webinar for, guys? You might be a job seeker or working professional or freelance fresher or career transition. The people who are working in BPO company want to switch the career to different department like this. And the people who are studying engineering or diploma or any department, and the people who have in a year gap, the people who came here just to upskill yourself, or the people who really passionate about designing, whoever you are, you can attend this session, because this session is for everyone who can, create something, and you can make money through that, and also you can serve the community, and as well as you're going to get the high paying salary. So that's what who is this for. And while talking about the company from whom you are learning from 20 years of product-based company, which it used to have a lot of departments like electrical, mechanical, robotics, artificial intelligence, data science, and a lot of categories. That is a 20 years of company, which is Panic.ai and Panic Solutions. And then we have started another child company called Warriors Way. So to transfer all of our 20 years of experience in terms of coaching program to make you a studentpreneur. How many of you people wanted to become a studentpreneur, guys? If you are, you just post yes, Sanjay, in your live chat, or I am Sanjay in your live chat. Because having a skill and not converting your skills into a money, definitely you will leave the skill in a certain point of the time. So that's why our mission to create 10 million studentpreneurs. You are going to learn from us, you are going to make money through that, and you are going to showcase that skill into your portfolio, and you are going to get the job. That's what our journey is. And do you believe me? Even if you are going into this Google and you know about the company like Simply Learn, right? So if you're going into that company like Simply Learn, Trustpilot or something, that Simply Learn, which is bigger company, they used to charge you for the full stack for around 80,000, 1.5 lakhs, and their reviews were 26,000. And what is the very important thing is, while talking about this Panic.ai and Warriors Way Hub review, which is more than the Trustpilot. Is it amazing, guys? If it is really amazing, you just post amazing Sanjay Nilacha. Just see that. Panic.ai, Warriors Way Hub, it is 20,233, 4.8 stars, whereas here it is just 4.5. Okay, that's what the company who you are learning. It is not going to be boring. I'm not going to bore you. I'm not going to exhaust you or something like that. I'm going to definitely make the session to be interesting by showing you real life examples. So don't worry about it. And my name is Sanjay. I'm CTO and data scientist at Panic.ai. So even though I am on that category, I used to work with programming stuffs, and also I'm working with some application creation as well. I'm a normal average guy, guys. I'm not a topper or something. I also used to have 7+ arrears in my college days. But that person, completely converted because my final year project has been selected as the project of the year award. And I used to work with a lot of technologies like BZI, embedded IoT, data science, AI, blockchain, and robotic operating system, autonomous robots, and a lot of things I've just worked on. So that's what the skill which you are going to get from me. And today's session, I'm going to give you the complete clarity. What does mean by that MERN? How this work, how the complete website is working, and what does mean by that servers and hosting. So how you can able to create your own personal website. So guys, how many of you are really having a personal website? If you have personal website, you just post I have, else you just post don't have in your live chat, because how to create that, okay? And what does mean by get? So likewise, we are going to explore the very core fundamental. It is like ABCD of full stack web development, that clarity which I'm going to be giving you. And also the people who are all staying till the end, you are going to get one course absolutely free. Okay, yes, it's true. The course price, which is worth of rupees 1,499, I'm going to give that course absolutely free. If you really wanted that, you just post I wanted in your live chat. I'm not going to reveal right now. It is only for the people who are all going to stay till the end. I'm going to give that course. And also, I'm going to give you the complete PDF repositories of the roadmap to become a full stack web developer, and must-know concept of this full stack web development. So that complete PDF material, which definitely it will take more time to prepare that. So if you are really searching in the internet, so I've taken all the time and I've made it. So that PDF also I'm going to be sharing with you, and also 5-minute session on mindset, and also how many of you people really wanted to do 3-month online internship in this type of company, that 20 years of product-based company, with an offer letter. If you eagerly wanted, you just post eagerly wanted Sanjay in your live chat. So 3-month online internship with an offer letter. If you eagerly wanted, you just give your comments in the live chat. So that announcement is also going to be at the end. And also, let me showcase something, just some of the homepage design which I have worked on, which I have made, just work homepage design. So this is the Pantech Solutions website which I've worked on. Look out how it really looks like. And here we have whatisway.in website which I've worked on. And this is, growthflow.ai. We have the business automation tool. For that tool, I have created this website. Okay, the homepage and the structure and everything. If you really love my designing skill, you just post I love it Sanjay in your live chat. So look out that pantechsolutions.net and whatisway.in and growthflow.ai. So likewise, I've worked on this 3 website homepages, and also I've worked on tons and tons of landing pages to sell our products or projects or some giveaways or something like that. So you just look out that. So these are all some of the landing pages. This landing page is for FPGA course which we are used to sell, and this is for embedded artificial intelligence event, and this is for Arduino event. So likewise, I used to create a lot of landing pages like this. Okay, if you really love those landing pages and colors and designing stuffs, you all people just so post love it Sanjay in your live chat. So that is what the thing, guys. I'm going to make you to create like this. I'm going to make you to create Netflix kind of website. I'm going to make you to create the UI. Okay, so I'm going to make you to work on starting to the advanced level of the complete website creation to the deployment. Are you excited? If you are really excited, you just post excited Sanjay Nilachan. Thank you so much, guys. All the people are posting love it, love it, love it. There are 3,889 guys. And a very important thing. This live platform limitation is there. Okay, free participation limitation is there. So if you are leaving the session, definitely you might lose an opportunity to come back to this live, because it is very, very limited seats. Okay, it is not going to be for everyone whenever you can join. It's not like that. So it is very limited time. There are already 3,900 plus people. So stay till the end so that you won't miss this great value, because the people who are all staying till the end, you will be getting a material. You'll be getting the roadmap to become, the full stack web developer, and the free giveaway course. Okay, I'm not going to give for 1 or 2 people. All the people who are all staying till the end, for all the people, I'm going to give that course. Okay, so that's the very important thing. So likewise, there are a lot of bonus switches out there. So stay till the end. If you are ready for the technical session, all people just post ready with one fire emoji in the live chat. Okay, so if you all really, really ready for the technical part of the session, you just simply post ready with fire emoji in the live chat. Kapil, it's just it's just around 14 minutes. Yes, Thank you so much. Oh my God, Francis and Kavya. Oh my God, thank you so much. Soma Sekar, yeah, Sanjay, we are with you. That's amazing. Thank you so much for all your energy, guys. So let us begin the session. So, guys, first of all, how many of you people, when you guys have saw the agenda means like the curriculum, how many of you people got scared or feeling like what is it? It is overwhelming, Sanjay. I literally thought, how can I learn every stuffs? How many of you people have saw this and thought like this? Sanjay, you have posted a lot of titles here. So here you have posted HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Git, GitHub, SAS. So likewise, you have dropped a lot of things here, Sanjay. But when I have seen that for the first time, I literally felt it is really overwhelming. How many of you people really thought? So guys, first of all, don't always see the destination. Okay, just see the process, because whenever you are driving the car at the night, you are not going, if you are going to travel from Chennai to Delhi, you are not going to see the Delhi and you're going to travel. No, you really need to see the path just 2 meters ahead, right? So don't completely explore the agenda and think, oh, no, oh my God, I can't do that. I can't learn that. I can't learn everything because it is very huge. I don't know what is that SASS. I don't know what is Flexbox. I don't know GitHub. I don't know Git. I don't know Node.js. Guys, don't worry. Just see one step ahead. Okay, today is your first step. If you have crossed it today, you will know what is mean by that front end or back end or the databases and how it is working. And I'm also going to, I plan to show some demo for you. So I hope you all super ready. Okay, so sir, I trust you. You will remove my fear. Priya, definitely, I'll remove your fear. So guys, first of all, I've made another document, something like that with the real life examples about each and every topic which I've listed in this document. Okay, what is that HTML? The best example for it, one line explanation for the HTML and the example, and CSS, one line example and one line explanation and example. So likewise, for every topic, I've made this section, key topics, that key for the key topics, let me go later. So guys, first of all people are believing, whenever people are thinking about full stack, all people are thinking it's same. How many of people are really thinking it's same? Yes, Sanjay in your live chat. All people, whenever they are hearing the word like full stack, oh my God, okay, it is having a huge scope. Yes, it is, but a lot of people always believing that full stack is same. Guys, full stack is not the same, because just see that two word, full stack. So full stack on web development is there, full stack normal development is there, full stack in data science is there. So data science full stack means start to the deployment of the data science project. That's what the full stack means. So whenever you are seeing any title related to like full stack something, don't blindly think it is all same. It is not same. Even go and check it out any website, they'll be putting full stack, but whenever you are comparing the agenda, it will be different, because sometimes people will be mentioning that as a full stack for web development. Sometimes they'll be mentioning as like full stack for normal software application development. Sometimes full stack is for data science. Are you clear? Okay, I hope you are clear about that, the very important confusion people are having. So hope you are clear about it. So right now, let us go into the full stack web development. So guys, it's very simple. Okay, so for an example, first of all, I would like to show you one small project. So whenever I'm going to teach you based on that project, definitely you will understand it clearly. So that's why I have one project in my directory. Okay, this project will be really super interesting. So what is the project is, like all the companies are asking their customers for the video testimonial, right? What is mean by video testimonial? They want to record the video about that product, about that, about the project or services which they have did. They want to record the video and they want to send to the company. That's what the all the company requires. So that's why still it is not been completed. I'm developing, I think within this and the journey of this 30 days, we will be completing it togetherly. Okay. So what is the thing is, this application will, whenever I am running it, whenever I am giving the URL to all the participants, you can visit that page and you can click the start button, and you can record your face, record the testimonial. Hi, hello. I really love your course, something like that. And whenever you stop the recording, that video will be automatically saved in our Google Drive. It is the project test. Is it amazing? If it is really amazing, you just post amazing Sanjay in live chat. It is for a company we are developing. I'm working on it. Okay. So that's what the thing. Okay. Let us take this project and let me teach you what are all the, sections which is out there in my, in the full stack. Okay. In the full stack. So what are all the sections out there? So I'm going to compare with the project I'm going to teach you so that you won't forget. Never ever, you should not forget those concepts in your entire life. Okay, so very, very simple. So first of all, while talking about the front end, it is like the bricks and cement for your building. Okay, whenever you are building house, you are going to need the structure, right? So the house entrance, and you need that bricks and stand, the basement and the first floor and second floor and third floor. That is the structure, right? That structure is going to be called as a front end. Let me show you the front end really. So whenever I'm opening this index.html, this is my front end. Guys, still, as I already told you, I haven't completed it. Functionality is over. I really want to work with the UI and those things. Other than that, the functionality is got over. Okay, this is what the front end is. What is front end? Whenever the outlook of your, the structure of your website. Okay, so that design, which it can be done with the help of the front end skill. Are you clear? So guys, if you are clear about the front end, you just post FE Sanjay in your live chat. Clear FE. Very, very simple. Okay, it is going to be client side. Client side means whenever, for an example, if I'm going into Pantech Solutions website, so how it has been displayed, okay, the structure, what is meant by structure? So here it need to have this header section, and below it need to have this title, and here on the right hand side it is going to have some image, and below it is going to have some other icons like product manufacturing, product building. So how it is being looked, okay, how it is being viewed. So that structure is going to be called as the front end. That front end, you can design it with the help of, HTML, CSS. Likewise, you just remember these names, guys. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular, SAS, and etc. But the bricks are HTML. While talking about the HTML, you are going to write the code to design it. For an example, this is the HTML file which I opened. Whenever I'm opening it in the notepad, this is how it looks like. Ta-da! This is HTML. Is it simple, guys? So what this is doing, this is creating this page, which is having only two buttons, start recording and stop recording. So whenever you are seeing this code, this is the code, how it really looks. And don't think, guys, oh my God, the program is having more line. How can I learn? It is going to be boring, or I will hate that literally in my journey. Guys, don't think on that way. Don't worry. I am here to teach you the programming in a very different way. I'm not going to teach you like step by, in the normal traditional way. It is going to be completely different. You will experience on the upcoming days. But other than that, this is what HTML. Talking about the HTML, it is going to be helpful to design the structure. So here, button start recording, button stop and upload button. Okay, that's what the two button. So this is what the HTML. So the bricks and cement for your building, that's what the HTML. While talking about the CSS, whenever you are applying the color, that is what CSS. For an example, if you are writing the title like a button like get started now. So this start recording button, this button can be done with the help of HTML. But if you want to paint it, if you want to format it, okay, like adjusting the round corners, there is a lot of huge difference between this button versus this button, right? So that can be done with the help of the CSS. If you are clear about the CSS, you just post clear CSS in your live chat, guys. Okay, this normal button, normal structure can be done with the help of HTML. Whereas if you are painting it, if you are, changing the visual representation, because there is a very huge difference between this button versus this button. This button is so attractive. to design it in a very effective way, and even applying this kind of gradient color. Gradient means there is a two color combination. Here it is a blue and here it is something like orange or something. Okay, so that is a mixture of color. So whenever it is on painting or some formatting in depth, that can be done with the help of CSS. Whereas while talking about the JavaScript, it is like what is it? To enhance, user experience. Whenever you are clicking the button, what did need to do? Okay, so whenever people are clicking, they get started now. So where it need to go? Okay, so that is can also be done with the help of JavaScript. Even you just see here in below there are something is rolling, right? Can you see that the animation? Okay, so can you able to see that some icons, some dot icons are rotating. Okay, look out that. Okay, so that's something which is on continuously revolving, and this box is little bit jumping or floating, right? So that thing, that animation, everything, that visual appearance, which is really creating a very good user experience, that can be done with the help of JavaScript. So guys, are you clear? Are you clear about these three core hero of the front end? Okay, HTML is the bricks, and CSS is like designing, like painting or something, and JavaScript will enhance the experience. So whenever if you are coming into the room, suddenly all the house lights and ACs all turning on, that is what JavaScript, which is creating some experience whenever you are living in that house. If you are super clear about these fundamental guys, you just post super clear Sanjay in your live chat. Yes, super clear, super clear. Hamzat Wani, super clear. Yes, very clear. Bilal, that's great. And while talking about the React or Angular, so these are all some of the frameworks, guys. It is also going to be really helpful to do the same kind of activity, but with the help of that, you can able to write the code within a short line of code. Okay, short line of code is really enough to build that same application where you are writing number of lines of program in other functions. Okay, whenever you are using other functions like JS, CSS or some other thing. So if your number of code is very high, but whenever you are using a framework like React or React.js or Angular, so you can design it in a very simple way. Okay, a library for building user interfaces, particularly single page application where you need a fast interactive user experience. Angular also going to be same like that. So as I've already mentioned, it is also going to be a framework. So it is also going to be really helpful to design that front end design. So likewise, we have a SAS, LESS. So don't worry about this, guys. Definitely, I'll be explaining about what is the SAS and Flexbox and Vue, everything with the hands-on. But right now, are you clear about the full stack? If you are super clear about it, yes, it's superb. Thank you so much for all the people, guys, who are all posting superb. That's amazing. Okay, so front end means so designing the outlook. I mean, designing whenever you are giving the website to the client, or whenever right now we are visualizing this website. This outlook is being done with the help of the front end. If you are really good at designing, you can also become just a front end developer. Okay, front end developer. How many of you people really wanted to become a front end developer, guys? If you are, you just post I wanted Sanjay in your live chat. Sanjay, I don't want to work on other stuff. I'm really good at designing. That's what I'm also doing in this. I also did in this project. So to create the home page, I really love to create at least once. So I tried it, but luckily I did my job very perfectly, because I really personally, I love this website. Do you really love this website, guys? Because the visual appealing. So whenever the people are navigating, because we have another lot of child company, right? So this is what is where I'll be navigating. These are all the products we are selling, and these are all the project page we are selling, and top of companies where people are hiring in the departments, and a lot of concept which we will be teaching, and customers reviews and FAQs and communities. Yeah, this is what the look. Okay, so front end means designing that visual look. Okay, that can be done with the help of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React or Angular. Okay, likewise there are a lot of other things also. Don't worry, I'll be showing you that very soon. So now let us go to the back end. As I've already shown you, this is the front end, how it is really looking at the front side. But whenever I'm clicking it, so it is going to show some function. Oh my God, wait a minute. So what is it is really showing, it is recording me. Okay, it is doing some functionality to record me. Okay, so I'm sorry about the camera, guys. It is totally poor because of my laptop web camera. So it is recording me, and whenever I'm clicking stop and upload, what this program will do is it will upload that video into my Google Drive. Is it amazing, guys? If it is really amazing, you just post amazing Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so whenever you are clicking that button and you have clicked that stop and upload button, whenever you're hitting that stop and then upload, so it is going to record you a certain video and it is going to upload into the cloud. Isn't it amazing? Okay, I'm sorry about the hair. Okay, so yeah, so look at that. This is what the thing. So something is running behind me, behind this design. Okay, behind this start recording button and stop upload button, something is carry over behind to record my video and keep it in certain place. And that thing, right? So that thing is gonna be called as the backend. Is it amazing? Okay, so if you are really seeing the backend, that can be done with the help of popular frameworks like Node.js, and Express is going to use, is going to be used as a backend for the Node.js and Flask. If you are a candidate, if you are a person who is good at Python programming. So guys, how many of people here love to work on Python? If you are, you just post, I am Sanjay in your live chat. So if you are good at Python, you can use a Python program to create that web application, the Flask and Django. Okay, by using this kind of framework, you can also create the backend. And also in the backend, also there are a lot of things. .NET is there. .NET are, bit trend, like it is bit older. But nowadays, Node.js is more popular. And the people who are all good at Python are the people who love to work with artificial intelligence application to deploy AI in the web application kind of software or website. Then that this Flask and Django will be really helpful. So guys, after the ChatGPT got introduced, there are a lot of AI tools got launched. I hope you all know that, right? So while talking about that AI tool, so that can be done behind that, tool. It is using the APIs. Even I started working with some project. So that project, what is the project is? It is Insta application. So guys, is the session is going interesting? Okay. So what is the thing is, how many of you people really using an Instagram to put the post and looking for the description for your post in the Google? How many of people are really searching the quotes in the Google to post it in the social media? If you are, you just post, I am Sanjay Achai. Because I worked on the project, which is by using a Python. From the Python, it will access the ChatGPT. I've configured the ChatGPT APIs and everything. So whenever you are uploading, whenever you are writing, a person standing with the coolers or standing in the car or driving the car. So whenever you are writing the prompt, it will automatically give the code with the hashtags for you. So that's what the web application which I've created with the help of the Flask. So Node.js and Express is also there, but people who really working with the Python, you can go with the Flask. Okay. So is it amazing, guys? Even here, I have the server file. So guys, whenever something is running behind, okay, backend, which is the server code. So for example, whenever I'm typing the command prompt, so this is also been done with the help of Node.js. So whenever I'm typing node space server.js file, whenever I'm hitting enter, okay, so what it will do is it will start the host, okay, server running on port number 3000. So what you can do is you can simply type localhost 3000 in your browser, and here you can click a start recording. So it was recording right now my video testimonial, and whenever I'm clicking stop and then upload, that video will be recorded. That video will be posted in the my Google Drive. So Google Drive functionality is different, that I'll tell you, but before that, this is how the server code will looks like. Okay, in the server code, you can see we have used the Express. Is it amazing? Okay, guys, whenever I'm teaching like this by showing you the product, if you are really thinking it's amazing, you just post amazing in your live chat. So that's what the thing. So something is running behind. So that can be done with the help of Node.js or Express or Flask or Django. So this is my sample code. Okay, so even the Express is there. So that's also you will be learning in this 30 days masterclass series. Priyanka amazing, Srishti Agarwal posting amazing, Swarna posted amazing. Very cool. Sneha amazing, Tanya amazing. That's amazing. Thank you so much for all the people who are posting amazing. So that's okay. So that is fine. But the next thing is database. Guys, for an example, whenever you are visiting any website, just for an example, like, whenever you are visiting a website, so if the people are filling up the form, or if the people are clicking sign in and they are signing in their, website, so you are going to maintain the database, right? The customer's database or the website information that is going to be maintained in a secure database called MongoDB or PostgreSQL. Let us simply consider your Swiggy or Zomato, guys. Take your Swiggy. Whenever you are opening a Swiggy application, you are giving your name, you are giving your phone number, you are giving your address, you are giving your email ID. And whenever you are clicking a create account, that information will be saved in the database. So very popular database like MongoDB, PostgreSQL or MySQL. So likewise, there are a lot of database out there. That's what this database. Guys, are you clear about these three? Are you clear? If you are clear about the front end, you just post clear FE. If you are clear about the back end, you just post clear BE. If you are clear about the database, you just post clear DB in your live chat. So the information is going to be saved in a certain place. And that place need to be very protected. And even your data analysis team want to get access for the data if they want to make any decision on the business. So that is what the database. Teaching very good, sir. Thank you so much, Suhas, for posting that. So that's what the DB is. And API integration. So guys, while talking about the API interaction, let us consider the same project. See the Google API. Why it has been Google API? Because I have not, simply saved that video in your local system. Even I'm giving the URL to you. Whenever you are recording the video, that will be posted in my Google Drive with the help of Google API communication. Okay, the API configuration, how to configure that API. So that skill is also highly, highly needed. Isn't it amazing? Okay, so and also as I've already told you that, ChatGPT application, right? So whenever the ChatGPT application, whenever the people are writing the prompt, so you need to analyze the prompt and you need to generate the equal, description or code for them and popular hashtag for them. That I've did it with the help of ChatGPT API. So you need to have that API skill. That's what the API interaction. So if you are clear about the API, you just post clear API. Thank you so much for all the people who are giving a response, guys. I felt really, really happy. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. So guys, always remember, whenever you are staying till the end, you are going to get the material, you are going to get the free course, and you are going to get the attendance link, everything at the end. Okay, stay till the end, never give up. Okay, that is really going to differentiate you between others. Okay, whenever the people are giving up in between, oh my God, I want to scroll the Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. Guys, no, okay? So strictly no, okay? So just stay connected with me. So that's what the API interaction. So that skill also we really need. So enabling a communication between different software, that is also need. And testing. So while talking about the testing, you need to test how it is working, okay? So like how that, code base is working and what is all the problem in it. So likewise, the testing skills is also needed. And deployment and containers. There are a lot of containers out there, guys, like Docker or Heroku or Vessel. So what is the thing is, whenever you are creating an application, you need to keep it in a certain place, right? So even you just see this application, guys. Okay, for example, if you are really creating this application, like you want to record the video and you need to put it in the Google Drive. But where I will keep these things? My Node.js file, my index.html file. Can I always run this in my command prompt, and can I run it in my local machine? No, definitely it is not possible. So we are going to deploy it in a certain standalone cloud platform so that whenever people are visiting the URL, it will automatically run. I don't want to run it in my command window. I don't want to run my server from here. I don't want to do that. Is it amazing? That's what the deployment category. Okay, so that's what the deployment category. And version control, guys, you just imagine There are around 4,100 people in this live right now. So what I'm going to do is, in this project, I'm going to give this project to all the 4,000 people right now. I'm asking each and every people just work on some few parts on the code. Do you really think you can expect a better output? Definitely not, right? All these 1,000 people will going into this code, and actually, for an example, okay, so Swayam will go there, and Swayam will delete this, and Priyanka will go here, and Priyanka might change this, and Sanjay, if I'm here, I will delete this. Okay, so definitely, whenever you are building one complete application, web application, that is going to be done by a team, right? So whenever one team is working on the project, that need to be monitored properly. So what is the change in the program? History of the project. What are all the modification in that is been done, and who did that modification? So likewise, every tracking. Even for an example, if I'm using Visual Studio Code certain version, you are using a different version, you are getting some error. That complete version control and tracking, that can be done with the help of version control options like Git. And also GitHub, where you can able to host all the repositories which is available. Even right now, I have some repositories, right? You can put it that repository in that GitHub. Cloud-based services for hosting Git repositories. Guys, is it amazing? Am I teaching you well by showing you the real life examples? So backend means the client who are all seeing the website, that look is been done by the front end. And whenever the people can't able to see the backend, so something is behind, whenever you're clicking the button, something has been recorded, something has been sent to some places, and it is loading this image, something is running at the server side, that is a backend. And whenever you are giving some information, that information is going to be kept in a certain database, because they can't able to save it in, in their laptop or something like that. So that thing, database has been used. And API, right now I've shown you that Google API. So whenever I'm using the Google API, so it is going to save those video in my Google Drive account, and testing how to check out, the functionalities and any code bases and everything, and deployment, how to deploy those repositories, and in the real time deployment, we need that deployment. I mean, like containers and version control. Whenever one project has been done by a team, that need to be monitored, that need to be tracked. What are all the changes have been done? What are the version changes been there? So everything which is going to be monitored with the help of version control. So likewise, we have a state management. So while talking about the state management, there are context API or Redux. So which is going to be helpful for which is going to be a predictable state container for JavaScript apps used for managing application state. Like it is going to be managing the state of that complete application which you are creating. So whenever you are doing application, so what is the problem here? And what is the current state of it? Is it down? Or a lot of things. Definitely we'll be exploring it the hands-on. So guys, are you clear up to these points, guys? Your teaching is awesome. Great teaching. It's mind-opening. That's amazing. Thank you so much for all the positive comments. Guys, right now, I'll be showing you the live confusion. Whenever you are registering for some courses, some time they will be mentioning like MERN stack. You will think, okay, that's same. But it is not same. So MERN is very, very simple, guys. MongoDB, what is mean by MERN is React, Node.js, MongoDB Express. Straightly go here. For the database, they will be choosing only MongoDB. That is for M. And what is for E? E is for Express. Express is being chosen for the backend support, backend web application. Express has been chosen. And R means a React. So for the front end, React has been chosen instead of Angular. And for N, so Node.js for the main backend support. So Node.js has been supported. So guys, is it clear? Is it clear? I hope you all got that very good clarity. Because MERN is like, it is the combination, it is been using MongoDB and Express and React and Node.js. Okay, that MERN stack is not going to cover all the aspects of full stack and full stack. Okay, full stack on MERN means you will be using that MERN stack. Full stack on the full stack means it is also covering up the front end, back end, database and everything. That's okay. But other than that, even in a full stack, what you are learning specifically, are you choosing React JS or are you choosing Angular? So that's what the stack is all about. Super clear, super clear. Yes. Or else, if you wanted to prefer mean stack, it's very simple. MongoDB is same and Express is same. Okay, let me shift like this. MongoDB is same, Express is same, and Node.js same. Instead of React, if you are choosing Angular, then that stack is going to be called as mean stack. Is it clear? Okay. Instead, if you are choosing a mem stack, which is MongoDB, Express same, Node.js is same, but instead of Angular, you will be choosing Vue.js. Look how that view is here. Okay. Very, very simple. Okay. Don't get confused, guys. I'm here. Okay. Whenever you're choosing a LAMP stack, so whenever the people are using a Linux, okay, Linux and server called Apache and MySQL and PHP. So guys, is it amazing? So that's what, LAMP stack. And do you know one thing? I've worked on the LAMP stack on, long time, very long before. Because, I worked on the project like hardware, okay, which is Raspberry Pi project. Okay, what does it mean by Raspberry Pi is a hardware, which is a mini PC. You can use that mini PC to work with some kind of application. So on that aspects, Leap Motion, Desire Robot. Okay, so top 10 IoT. I think in this project I worked on, I think so, if I'm not wrong. So in this project, what is the thing is, yeah, so while seeing this is actually some kind of robot project which I've worked on, but it is also going to have the camera in it. So for lifting the people who are all fell into the well or something. So that kind of robotic arm which you have created. So here you can able to see some web page, right? It will do the real-time video streaming. And also it will be very helpful to operate the robot with the help of the website. So if you're seeing this project, in this project, we haven't used my laptop. It has been used the individual mini PC called Raspberry Pi. It is based on the, Linux operating system. So that's why whenever you really wanted to do that, you need to go for the LAMP stack. You're learning Linux and Apache web server and MySQL database, and for coding, so you'll be using a PHP or Python. Guys, do you really understand why you are really why you should learn from us? We are not just the teachers who used to take the classes. We used to be doers. We used to work on real products. Okay, and also there are other stacks also as well, like Pern stack. While talking about the Pern stack, instead of choosing MongoDB as a database, you'll be choosing a PostgreSQL and Express.js and React and Node.js. Is it amazing, guys? Okay, if you really want to take a screenshot of it, just take a snap and just leave one thumbs up in the live chat, guys. Okay, just see here. Out of that, if you are asking to me, Sanjay, which one is popular? Mern is very popular. Mern stack. MongoDB, Express with Node.js, and React, which is more popular. Okay, React, which is going to be used for front end, and Node.js and Express for the backend, and MongoDB for the database. Mern is popular. So that's why I kept it first. If you want to take a screenshot, just take a screenshot. So whenever you are seeing any person who is talking about the full stack, don't get confused because you have attended this What is Way program. So now you know, even in the full stack, there is a subcategory like Mern stack or mean stack or Mern stack or LAMP stack or Pern stack. Hope you got very good clarity. Okay, I written everything. That's amazing. No worries, Deepanjali. That's amazing. That's great. That's great. That's great. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for all the people who have given that. And also, yes, Aman Nase asking me to recommend, show another project which I've done because he is one of our, he is already in our community. So what is the thing is, this is also another project which is based on, hardware, where we have used the YouTube API and Google API. And this will give you the reply. For an example, if you are asking to this device, play the Eminem song from the YouTube. So it will automatically pick that video and it will automatically play it for you. So audio, it is for the blind people we have designed. And also we have deployed a deep learning application in that. So whenever 2,000 rupees is being shown, 2,000 detected, 200 detected, 100 detected. So likewise, it will give you the voice output. This is like a mini device for the blind people. So with the help of the device, they can use us like a Google Home or Amazon Alexa. They can use it like a YouTube. They can use this device for, what is it? It's like object recognition. What is in front of me? It will automatically give the reply. And currency detection, so artificial intelligence with the skills which you are learning up to in this journey. So that is what the project. If you really love that project, you just post, I love it, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, it's first time I got a clear picture. Oh my God, thank you so much, guys. Okay, that's also another project which I worked on. This is a hardware, but based on the requirement, you need to change. Yes, definitely. And always remember, don't restrict on your department. Even though you are from different department, you need to learn. You need to at least know everything about it so that you can build some awesome project which I've did like this. Okay, so I hope you really love it. Okay, that's what the thing. And right now, from now, let us go a bit quicker because it's going to be very insightful and very simple to understand. Are you ready? If you are ready, all the people just post ready, Sanjay, in your live chat. In few minutes, we are going to share you the material and also you are going to get the free giveaway, guys. Giveaway course. Be ready for it. Amazing trainer. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God. I felt really, really happy, guys. All the positive comments. I felt really, really happy. Thank you so much. So yes. So let us understand. So very, very easy things. Okay. I'm not going to confuse you by telling you more theory. It's going to be very, very simple. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Just give me a comment in the live chat. So guys, first of all, remember this thing. Internet. While talking about the internet, I hope you all know. So the device, the multiple or millions of device which has been connected on all over the world, okay, which is forming us like a network. Now I am communicating with this 4,100 people. So with the help of internet, I hope you all know what does it mean by internet. So where multiple devices or multiple equipment which has been connected with a certain medium, where you can have a communication between here to anywhere in the world. So that is very simple. But while talking about the WWW, because a lot of people are failed in the interview, just they can't able to answer simply this question. What is the difference between internet and WWW? Okay, what WWW, which is nothing but World Wide Web. So I hope you all know about that. So while talking about this, it is an information system where documents and other web resources are identified by a URL. For an example, while talking about this www, so whenever you are seeing that, here we have this www, right? So www.pantechsolutions.net is a URL that we can learn it later. But with the help of that URL, you are accessing its resources. You are accessing the embedded system starter kit with the help of that www and also with the URL. Is it clear? So if it is clear about these two things, you just post clear to C2 Sanjay in your live chat. And IP address. While talking about the IP address, even though it is pantechsolutions.net, it is having an IP at behind like this. Okay, whenever you are really opening a certain application in a local host, for an example, wait a minute, let me show you a live demo. Always I wanted to show you the live demo so that you won't forget things. So whenever we are executing node space server.js, so it is going to give you the command like server port are running. But whenever you are going for the command window, another command window, I'm going to check my IP address, IP config. Okay, whenever I'm executing it, the URL is 192.168.1.5, which is IPv4 address. Okay, whenever I'm just going to copy this address. Okay, so whenever you are keeping that address, so where you'll be, typing like this. So what is returning? It is giving me the exact application. How? Because this is what my IP address, my local system IP address. Okay, 192.168.1.5. Even I'm running this, it is working. So start recording, stop button, same thing it got acquired. And this 3000 is nothing but a port number, guys. So that's what the IP address. So it is accessing it with the help of internet protocol IP address. It is going to be looking like 192.168.something something. Okay, something dot something. So 192.168.1.5, that is an IP address. But for the same IP address, as same as a normal human being, we can't able to remember those IP address. So for that IP address, we are giving the name that is being called as domain name, www.pantechsolutions.net. This pantechsolutions.net is a domain name. Are you clear? Okay, are you clear? So even instead here, I'm going to write, I'm going to type localhost colon 3000. Again, it's giving me an output, right? So is it clear about this very important, this 4 category? Internet, which is having the connection between millions of devices globally, and World Wide Web, which is going to be helpful to access the certain information with the help of the URL. So which is uniform resource locators. While talking about the URL, that it can be as like an IP address or it can be a domain name. So IP address is a unique number which is gonna be given for every individual machine or the system or anything. So that's what the unique identification number. That IP address, which is like 192.168.something. And for that IP address, definitely as a human being, we can't able to remember a Pantech Solutions IP address and what is your website IP address, growthflow.ai website address. So for that, instead of having an IP address, we are going to give the new name for that address, that name which is going to be called as DNS. If you are clear about this 4 important about the thing about internet, you just post super clear Sanjay Nila chat. And also very important thing. So guys, whenever you are seeing this website, you can just click the URL and there are S's here. Can you see that? HTTPS. But sometimes you might see http://pantechsolutions.net. Sometimes. But whenever you are seeing http:// something, you will get some error. Okay. So HTTP error, wait a minute, HTTP unsafe error. Let me show you the error. So whenever you are visiting a website, but that website which is having this type, I think you might have already seen this page, right? Have you seen it? If you have seen it, you just post yes Sanjay in live chat. So whenever you are seeing this type of a page, it is showing you this site has been reported as unsafe. What does it mean by yes? That company or that domain name holder or that website owner, they haven't secured their connection. It has not been encrypted. So the people can able to easily hack, easily track your jobs which you are doing inside that HTTP unprotected page. But whenever you are visiting the page which is with the HTTPS, so that is secured. S means secured. So if you are also running a company, if you are really launching a website, you need to get the SSL certificate to get the HTTPS. If you are not getting a SSL certificate, your website will be posting like http://www.pantechsolutions.net and it will be showing you like that, showing for all the audience like this, they won't visit your website. So guys, if you are really seeing this for the first time, you just post FT in your live chat, first time Sanjay. So that's what the security, which also you need to have a constraint. So internet, www, IP address, DNS and internet safety. Is it clear? That's amazing. Thank you so much for all the interactive people, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So guys, within 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to give you the first material ready to download. I hope you're all super ready. Okay. So first of all, how website works. It's very simple. So I'm going in here and I'm typing the domain name. So growthflow.ai. This is the IP address, but in the name of domain name, which I'm typing. So that's what the URL. Okay. So I'm going to type this is the URL https:// and www.growthflow.ai. That's what the URL of my website. So whenever I'm typing it, what it will do, it will look for the DNS. So that growthflow.ai, what is the IP address of that growthflow.ai? So that IP address, that browser is going to send the request to access the information which is present in that IP address with the help of the HTTP protocol. And then it is going to that server which is going to process the request. So what are all the information which is present in there? So it is going to fetch it. And then finally your browser is going to render. Render means First of all, it will load the HTML. Guys, already I told you, whenever you are talking about this full stack web development or website, so first of all, it starts with front end and then back end and the database, right? So whenever you are seeing this process, the browser render the web page, right? First of all, it will load the HTML and then it will load the CSS and then it will load the JavaScript. So likewise, it will load step by step, but it will be happening very much faster. Is it amazing? If it is really amazing, you just give your comments in the live chat, guys. Whenever you are typing growthflow.ai, the first step, it will find out the respective IP address for it, DNS lookup, and then the browser is going to send the request and server is going to process the request and it is going to fetch all the information that it requires, and browser is going to render, but while rendering, first it will process the HTML code and then it will process the CSS and everything. So that's what the loading period. But it will be loading much faster based on the server which you have and based on the lot of factor, it will be loaded. Is it amazing? Yes, amazing, amazing, amazing. That's great, guys. And also, are you ready for the hands-on, guys? If you are ready for the hands-on, because we are going to start the hands-on within a few minutes. Okay, be ready for it because this is the hands-on which you should not miss. If you have missed the today's hands-on part of the session, definitely you will suffer a lot on the remaining 29 days. Okay, don't forget. Okay, so yes. And then introduction to web server and hosting. So guys, remember one thing. As I've already told you, the server process a request. Even today, I've run that. This been done with the help of the Node.js. That's okay. But other than that, here I started a server, right? Node space server.js. I've started the server, right? But I can't able to keep on starting up the server every time whenever I need the replication. Definitely it is not possible, right? So that's why we need the web servers. As I've already told you, whenever you are using in a Linux system, you can use an Apache or Nginx or a lot of web server is there. But other than that, you need to host it, right? So you can't able to keep, these information in your local system. It is okay. This is just a 2-button code. I have written one HTML file. I can have it in my local system. And first thing, I can't able to run it from my local system on every time I want. Or else, if the website is very huge, I can't even able to keep all the information in my local system and I can't able to run it. So that's why we are going for the hosting. You are going to put those files or you are going to host those files in you are going to host those files in a different type, like shared hosting is there. Shared hosting means that hosting platform will hold down the Warisway website, Pantech Solutions website and growthflow.ai website. So all the main repository will be kept in a single shared hosting, cloud hosting or something. So that is going to be kept there. So equally it is going to be distributed, that hosting, the capacity, everything which is going to be shared between the different websites. That's what the shared hosting. While talking about the dedicated hosting, whenever you are seeing the Google or Nvidia or bigger kind of company, they won't keep their data in just clouds. They will be having the farmhouse, server farmhouse. It is going to have a tons and tons of GPU servers, which is going to be out there. Okay. So there, whenever you are typing some messages in WhatsApp or you are recovering some deleted messages from your WhatsApp, it will be retrieved from the dedicated hosting, which they have, the WhatsApp, which they have. Even I think you guys have noticed in some of the, 4 years back in the Diwali, WhatsApp has crashed. How many people know that? If you remember, really know that, you just post, I know that, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay. So that thing, because the server can't able to handle that much of traffic. So that's why dedicated hosting is little difficult. If you are having a more money, you can create more number of, machines. That's okay. But other than that, whenever you're really looking for some scaling or something, so that can be done with the help of cloud hosting. But dedicated hosting, you have more control on it. On resources and everything, you can have a control. But while talking about the cloud hosting, it is being hosted in the cloud. You don't want to have the GPUs, the bigger servers in your company, because whenever you are keeping a dedicated server in your company, you need to put the air conditioner for it. So other people should not hack it. You need to put some cyber security team and what is it? The temperature management also need to be there. And if there is any fault on that dedicated server, that's it. Okay, you are going to lose your website and all the information. So that is the thing. Risk, both pros and cons, which is going to be there. Guys, hope you got a clear idea about the hosting. If you got a clear idea, you just post super clear Sanjay in your live chat. Are you clear? So that's what the web server and hosting. And also we guys have explored about the version control of Git and GitHub. So I think we guys have already explored. So in the upcoming days, we will be learning very in detail. So guys, are you ready for the bit of hands-on? So if you're all ready for a bit hands-on, you just post a ready Sanjay in your live chat. Are you ready? All the people just post ready with fire emoji in the live chat. Yes, ready. That's great. So guys, before that, do you know one thing? We have crossed 1 hour, guys. Guys, you just tell me, how was your experience? I know it is just 1 hour, but you just please tell me, how was your past 1 hour experience? You just give your comments in the live chat, guys. Okay, if you really love my way of teaching by showing you real life examples and interacting with you, if you really love this, what you just do is, guys, my team will be giving you the Google review link in the live chat. So if you really love this type of series, which we are giving for free, and the value which you are giving, if you really love it, and if you really love my teaching methodology, please go and click that link and give a 5-star and write a paragraph kind of review. If you really love my session specifically. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. You are teaching amazing. Thank you. Yes. Look out there. There are a lot of people have posted a lot of positive comments. I can't believe it. Really love your teaching. Awesome, Sanjay. Mesmerizing. Love it. It was amazing. Thank you for all the people who are posting it. Wow. That's amazing. Guys, my team, please post that link in the live chat. Okay. So that's great. Can't wait for the practical. Wow. That's amazing. So that's great, guys. Thank you for all the people who are posting it. Guys, within just 10 minutes, we are going to give you the material. Okay, ready to download. I really love your teaching. Thank you so much, guys. So my team, are you there? Please post the link in the live chat, which is gonna be which is gonna be really helpful to conduct this type of event. If you really love this, guys, so that it will really motivate me and my team to conduct this type of session hereafter. So if you really wanted, if you really love it, just please write it, guys. Okay, I'll be giving you that link in the live chat. Yes. So yes, we are going to be ready. So yes, I've given the link in the live chat, guys. Please go and click that link and give a 5-star and write a review. Guys, session has not been over. So let us continue the hands-on part a bit. So guys, first of all, the people who are using a Mac OS, please install Google Chrome in your laptop. Okay. The people who have a Windows, definitely, I think you have a Google Chrome. I won't prefer Mozilla Firefox. Please install Google Chrome. I hope you know how to install the Google Chrome. So please go to your Edge application and type Google Chrome in it, and please install it. Okay. So go there. It's for Mac users. Okay. Go and type Google Chrome in your search and just visit it. Okay. Download Google Chrome, and please download your Google Chrome and install it, guys. Okay, this is how you can able to download it. You just see here, download Chrome. Please click that and please install the Chrome for your Mac operating system if you are using, if you are a Mac user. And I think the people who are all using a Windows, I think most of the people will be having Google Chrome. If you don't have, please install the Google Chrome. That's what the very important thing. And second, very important thing which we need to write the code or something, we are going to use the Visual Studio. Okay. So hope you are clear, guys. Okay, what you guys do is, all people just try to type Visual Studio Code in your search. Okay, simply type Visual Studio Code in your search and go to the download option. Just click that. So once you have clicked it, so there is an option like Windows 10 or 11. So you just click that Windows 10 or 11. So thanks for downloading. So it is going to download for you. So what is the very important advantage of Visual Studio Code? Because if you are having a Visual Studio Code in your laptop, you can run Python, you can run C, you can run this HTML, you can write it, you can even create the notepad. Okay, you can create a lot of things in the Visual Studio. Okay, this is how you can able to install, guys. Wait a minute, let me give you the URL in the live chat. Okay, yes, I've given you the link in the live chat, guys. Please go and download. Please do it with me. Okay, once you have got this page, just click I accept an agreement, and it is asking for the location. So we need 366 memory, MB memory, and click next. And Visual Studio Code, okay. So, and click next and create a desktop icon and open with code action to Windows Explorer. Yes, sometimes I need it. And open with code action on Windows Explorer directly to the context menu. Okay, so I'm just going to check out this path. And don't forget these things, guys. Add to path. Never, ever, ever, ever forget. Whenever you are installing, you need to add to the path. If you are not adding to the path, you will face a lot of problem. Okay, so you will face the problem. That problem I will show once we are stepping into the hands-on sessions. Coding sessions. But don't forget to enable this. Enable this add to path and create a desktop icon. Everything is clear. And click next and please install it. If you have installed it, just leave one thumbs up emoji in the live chat. And even in the Visual Studio Code, I am going to cover some few parts which is very, very necessary on changing the theme and changing the look and everything. So I'm going to teach you. So be ready for it. So please go and install it. So if you have installed it, just leave one thumbs up emoji in the live chat, guys. Okay, so until the meanwhile, yes, launch Visual Studio Code. I'm going to click finish. So guys, until the meanwhile of working with this installation, please go and install. I'm going to give you the time. Please go and download it because some people the internet might not be slow, might not be good. So please go and install that. So until the meanwhile, let me tell you very important thing. Okay, so yes, I hope you all already given the review, guys. If you have already given the review, just post one, heart emoji, something like that in the live chat. So, and also, yes, we are providing 3-month full stack online internship program. That full stack online internship program on web development, which is going to cover the first bundle, which is full stack web development, exact 30 days, which you are really attending right now. So from this, what you will get, Sanjay, what the results I can get, you will know how to create the complete optimized website. Guys, always remember, whenever you're talking about the website can be created with the programming or without programming and a lot of ways out there. But with the programming is gonna make the site to be very, very optimized. The best example, apple.in. I hope you all visited the Apple's website, right? Even though they are using very high quality of images and every animation video, that site is really performing very well. So that can be done only with the help of coding. That's why this full stack web development bundle, which is going to cover the coding part, which is going to be highly optimized to work on both front-end, back-end database, as well as on the deployment, where you'll be getting the complete video recordings and PPT, PDF, source code, assignment and task, and internship e-certificate will also be provided in this bundle. This is the first bundle which is present in this 3-month online internship. And second bundle, which is like how to create the website bundle by simply using a WordPress. Because when we are beginning this journey, if you are really not comfortable with the programming, but getting the freelancing, opportunities to start earning money, this WordPress will be very helpful because it is very, very less. Moreover, it is zero coding. Without a coding, you can create the complete website, but it is little less optimized than the website which has been created with the coding. So that's the second bundle where you'll be getting the complete video recording of this website development using WordPress. So that is the second bundle which you'll be getting. For that also you'll be getting a complete video recordings, PPT, PDF, plugins used and assignment and task and e-certificate for website development alone. And third thing is e-commerce. While talking about the e-commerce is much, much popular because whenever you are visiting a certain website like pantechsolutions.net, so whenever you are going for a certain product, so for an example, if I need this product, the BrainSense product, you'll be going here and you'll be purchasing it, right? You'll be ordering the product, right? So for example, embedded and IoT starter kit is there. So whenever you are clicking add to cart, it need to be added into the cart. And if you are navigating into the cart, you need to click like continue shopping and you need to update the cart and proceed to the checkout. So whenever clicking the proceed to checkout, you need to give your information and you need to place the order. This e-commerce website also you will need to learn to start making a money on freelancing platform. That's the e-commerce website bundle which has been present there. Setting up a WordPress and creating a products and integrating a payment gateway because your company want to get the order. Your client want to get the order. Your client want to earn money through that. the order, the service which they are providing. That e-commerce website building, this is the third bundle which you'll be getting. And fourth bundle is whenever you are creating a website, definitely you need that image design skill. Even you just see that these images are being designed using Canva. Okay, this product manufacturing, this project building, technical coaching, and behind some icon is revolving, right? That icons, and and this image which has been designed using Canva, and some of the other functions like some icons which has been added here. So whenever you are really even seeing the website, I mean landing page which I've created. So for that, most of the time we have used that image creation. So for that image creation, without any Photoshop skill, a very high advanced skill, you can create very easy image and video with the help of the Canva. That's why the fourth bundle which you'll be getting, you can create any image for the website easily without any high image design skill. And then you'll be using artificial intelligence to create the website. Isn't it amazing? Look at that, how to make AI as a blogger. So that's why the AI for everything bundle, where you can use this skill, like for an example, you can use ChatGPT or you can use a Midjourney, how can create the specific image size of images for your website, and you can host it there, or copywriting for the website, or digital marketing aspects for the website. Because whenever you're starting a freelancing, you are designing the website or something, you might need to work on the copywriting as well, and everything which has been covered on the AI for everything bundle. So that's the fifth bundle we'll be getting. You'll be getting the complete video recording, PPT assignment and task. So, and also you'll be getting a 5 individual internship certificate, okay, for each and every individual 5 bundle. So that's also going to be free. So that's the thing, okay. First of all, this 3-month full stack web development, which is going to have a full stack web development using a programming. That's the first bundle. Second bundle is a website development using a WordPress, and e-commerce web development using WordPress, and Canva for image or icon. You'll be receiving an offer letter, guys. Yes, personalized internship offer letter, which is going to be given for you. The start date and then end date will be printed. So I am pleased to inform that you will be selected for internship position at pantech.ai. And we are excited to offer you 3-month internship starting on your start date and then end date. During your internship, you will be working in the development team under the supervision of Sanjay. The internship will be on online. This is the personalized internship offer letter which you'll be getting. The people who really wanted this offer letter, you just post eagerly wanted Sanjay in your live chat. The people who registered for the 3-month online internship, this offer letter is also absolutely free. And not only that, as I've already told you, you'll be receiving a 5 internship certificate. Right? Before itself, I told you, you'll be receiving a 5 individual internship certificate for each and every individual courses. But apart from the 5 individual internship certificate, you'll be getting a 6th internship certificate, which has been called as 3-month internship certificate. Where start date, your name will be printed. 3-month internship on full stack web development, likewise, it will be printed. Start date and end date will be printed. This is the 6th certificate which you'll be receiving. So that is also absolutely free. If you are really summing it up, the complete value, which is around 25,000 rupees, but right now you are going to pay just 999 rupees with a lifetime validity. Countdown is still running. The people who haven't made the decision, make the decision right now. The people who haven't made, the people who have made the decision, you just post, I made it, Sanjay, in your live chat. And also, my team will be giving you one form, guys, okay, to test your skill, which stage you are in. Okay, now right now my team will be giving you the quiz test. Okay, don't think, oh my God, it is a quiz, I can't able to attend it. Guys, it's just for testing yourself. Okay, it is not, I'm not going to give, I'm not going to scold you, or I'm not going to demotivate you if you have got the less score, because this is our first day of the event. But my team will be giving you the link in the live chat. So please go and complete that test. Okay, so yes, evaluate your skills here. The form link you've just been given here. So please click that link and complete that. Just 10 questions, just 2 minutes. Okay, it won't take more than more than 3 to 4 5 minutes. Just click that link and evaluate the test and give me the score which you have got. What score you have got? You just give your score in your live chats, guys. Please go and do it. Just 2 to 3 minutes. It won't consume more time. Just 2 to 3 minutes to evaluate your skill. I've asked some simple questions on website development. It is a very simple question. Okay, and also to test your mindset. So both the things has been combined, because for getting the job, both your skill and not getting job is very easy, guys. But getting sustained in the job, because right now a lot of people losing their job. So getting the job and getting sustained in the job We need the mindset. So to test your mindset and attitude and your technical skills, this quiz has been given for you. So please click that link and attend the quiz and tell me what is your score. What's the score you have got from that quiz? Just put down the score in the live chat. Bully Sai Teja, I made it, Sanjay. That's great. That's great. That's great. Congratulations, Bully Sai Teja, for posting that. That's great. That's great. So, and also, do you really want more for this triple line, guys? Yes, I'm ready to give you more. The people who are all registering for this 3-month online internship, your name will be hosted in our Hall of Fame page. What does it mean by Hall of Fame page? Guys, we are giving coaching for a lot of people. Lot of companies are asking us, do you have any top performers? Do you have any person who can create a personal website? Even some of our inner circle community, we are having a diamond membership we are giving the business coaching. They are asking for the candidate to create the websites. If you have completed these 5 courses, you can create the website. So you can earn money through that. So your name will be hosted in the Hall of Fame page. The people who are all registering for the 3-month online internship, your name will be hosted in this, in this Hall of Fame page. That Hall of Fame page value, which is worth of rupees 4,000 and 999, this is also going to be given for free. Yes, and also those people who are all registering for this 3-month online internship, you will be getting a private community access. It is not just a Facebook group or Telegram group. It is a private individual social media. So look out, that full stack web development bronze membership is being created already, and task section has just also been created. Full stack web development task section has also been created. So right now, since it is our first day, there is not going to be task. But for the people who have registered already in our AI data science 3-month internship, we used to give a lot of tasks for the people. Look out that. These are all, I will teach, I'll give you task. I will teach, I'll give you the task. I will evaluate your task. I'll evaluate your mistakes, which you have did in the task completion. So likewise, these type of tasks will be scheduled in this full stack web development task section itself. The people who are registered for the 3-month online internship, they will be getting the lifetime access for this private community. So what is the community is, you can complete the task. I will be posting the task. You will be completing it. You'll be posting out the outputs in that. And also whatever the event we are conducting in the soft skills, coming Saturday, freelancing live session is there. So you can attend this freelancing live session is also absolutely free. So likewise, this is the private social media. This is actually worth of rupees 10,000 because it is having a separate application. So that is the private social media. You can ask your doubts and you can clear your assignments. You can attend the inner circle events. Everything you will be getting just absolutely free. This private community access, which is actually rupees of 10,000, not 1,000 and 999. So if you are really summing it up, the total value is 40,000, but you are going to get just at the rupees of 999 with the lifetime validity. Oh my God. So guys, look out that there are a lot of people have posted their answers. Okay, some people have got 30, 20, 40, 50, 30, okay, 20, 10, even 0 we have got, okay, and 40. Guys, lot of people are posting a lot of answers. Yes, that's amazing. That's great. Guys, the people who have scored less than 90, definitely this is really, really needed for you, because the question asked in that bundle, which is very, very simple question, which has been asked by the startup company. Very simple question, which has been asked by startup company, I'm telling you. But if you are scoring below the 90 marks, definitely you need this. This bundle will really help you to get the job. So that's what the next value. Okay, and so only at 90 minutes, the triple line with the lifetime validity is being provided. The people who haven't registered. So please scan this QR code or click the link which has been given in the live chat and register for it. And also, do you guys want more on this 999 rupees? Yes, I'm ready to give you more. On the coming Saturday, I'm going to take the class on freelancing. Guys, I really want to ask the serious question. How many of you people really serious on start earning money right now? If you are super serious on start earning money right now, you just post, I am serious, Sanjay, in your live chat. Because I don't want to take this class for every people. I want to take the class only people who ready to follow my steps, who ready to follow my procedures. to create the account in freelancing platform and showcasing the skill and creating a gig and sending a cold emailing. So who are all very, very serious to follow my procedure to start earning money? Sanjay, I will do anything which you tell to start earning money because my family, I want to help my family. I want to purchase whatever I really want. So if you are in that category, you just post I am serious in your live chat because it is going to be given only for them. So what is the very important thing is we are going to take the class on freelancing. So how to convert your skill into the money because you can host it in just if you are visiting Fiverr account. Let me show you the live proof, guys. Okay, so let me show you the live proof. Just go to the Fiverr or Upwork. These are all some kind of freelancing platform. So whenever I'm going for the Fiverr account, I'm searching just simply the web development. Okay, I'm not putting without coding or with coding. So let me type. Okay, so full stack web, web development. Okay, I'm just simply typing web development and just see that 26,000 people are doing this job. Then why can't you do that? Why can't you do that? Okay, so why can't you can create that kind of stunning website and why can't you can't charge? Look out the guys, the people are charging 6,998 rupees, 8,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees, 32,000 rupees, 1,74,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, 6,998 rupees, 7,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees. Guys, you can get your 999 rupees as an investment within just few orders. Just in a single order, you will get that 999 rupees as back. So that's why coming Saturday, we are going to conduct 3 hours live session on freelancing. Those people who registered for the 3-month online internship, this freelancing live session is also absolutely free. So guys, the people who have made the decision, you just post I made it. The people who are under the process, you just post UTP Sanjay in your live chat. Sanjay, I'm asking to my parents. Sanjay, I'm asking to my friends. Sanjay, I'm comparing your courses with any company. If you are under the process, you just post UTP. The people who have made the decision, you just post I made it Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, Snake has made it. Paras UTP, Himaja made it. Guys, look out that there are a lot of people are posting their responses. That's amazing. Look out that Karam posted I made it. Kadidam posted made it. So look out that I wanted to show the live proof where the people who are making the decision. Look out that a lot of people are under the process and a lot of people have made it. Padmini made it and Malish Shetty under the process and UDP. Okay, a lot of people are posting UDP and look out that the people who have made the decision, you just post. Look out that Ishwar made it. Shai Deepika made it. A lot of people are making the decision, guys. The people who really want to switch your career into this field, this is the right time to make the decision. So the people who haven't made the decision, make that decision right now. Okay. And also, apart from the freelancing skill, you really need a resume building skill. Guys, you just tell me how many resume you have. Yes, you just tell me your answers in the live chat, guys. How much resume you have? Because till now, a lot of people are having one resume to apply for all the job. Guys, you won't get the job. You won't even get the interview call. You need multiple resume. You need individual resume for every job. Even right now as a company, if we are putting the hiring post, definitely there will be 5,000 applications will gonna be there. Definitely we can't able to evaluate all the 5,000 resume. On the time, we'll be using applicant tracking software like ATS tool to evaluate and to find out the top 20 interview for selecting for the walk-in interview. So that's why you need to create the individual resume for each and every individual job. So that's why we are going to conduct the resume building class, 3 hours live session on resume building. If any one person is seeing any other different place, you are going to be in the firing list. Why? Because whenever you are attending an interview, your interviewer might ask you this question. Are you good at team collaborative? Okay, collaborative skill. How about your collaborative skills? Are you good at working with the team? You will tell, yes, I'm super good at working with the team. I will super amazing. I'll be managing the team very well. I will easily collaborate with any person. Likewise, you will tell for to get the job. But on that kind of event, the company can able to easily pick you up that you are not good at team collaboration. So you are going to have one black mark in your you are going to be in your firing list. Is it shocking? If it is shocking, you just post yes Sanjay in your live chat. So that's why I'm telling you, any company can teach you the skill, but the company who has an experience, the company who has an awareness about the mindset, only they can teach you the mindset. So that's why our company's founder, MK Jeevarajan sir, who is the founder of multiple companies, Pantech Solutions, Pantech.ai, Way, Growthflow.ai, he is the founder of a lot of companies. He's a 20 years of experience guy. He is 20 years of experience, 20 years of company is a founder. He is ready to meet you on daily morning, guys. Yes, it's true. MK Jeevarajan sir, he is ready to meet you on daily morning, 6 to 6:30 a.m. Mindset class will be given for you from our MK Jeevarajan. So because he is my mentor, okay? So he will be guiding you on daily morning. So your inner world create your outer world. Okay, it is like invisible root is all the reason for taste of the fruit. So that's why mindset is very important.